How to easily hem pants at home. Measure pants length. Put on pants and measure, considering the shoes you'll wear. Mark both outside seams for consistency. Mark hemline. Mark the desired length across both pant legs. Use tailor's chalk or pencil to create a clear line. Cutting the hem. Cut along the marked line using sharp scissors. A 1/2-inch seam allowance is needed. Pin and press. Pin the hem in place, ensuring stability. If available, use an iron to press the hem at 1/2 inch. Sewing the hem. Choose thread color, considering the final look. Adjust the machine for a suitable stitch length. Sew along the marked line, pulling out pins as you go. Backstitch at the beginning and end for stability. Handle thick parts carefully. Use the handwheel if necessary when dealing with thick fabric. Check frequently to avoid accidentally stitching the leg shut. Finish and press. Backstitch at the end and cut the thread. Press the new hem for a polished look. Repeat the process for the other pant leg. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.